Oh my! Isn't that lovely? I thought Moose Falls would be a fun place to talk about the use of a semicolon within a sentence. A semicolon shows a longer pause than a comma, but not as long as a period. Think of a yield sign when you use a semicolon. The yield sign tells a driver to pause or come to a rolling stop if necessary. There are 5 ways to use a semicolon within a sentence. Oh, do you guys want to learn about semicolons too? It's not the most exciting subject in the world, but you're welcome to listen in. 1. The semicolon is used within a sentence to separate the clauses of a compound sentence when no conjunction is used to join them. A compound sentence is made up of 2 or more simple sentences joined by conjunctions such as and, but, yet, or, nor. The semicolon takes the place of these conjunctions, but the ideas must be connected. For example, these trees have fallen and they block the view. If I replace the conjunction and with a semicolon, then the sentence reads, these trees have fallen, semicolon, they block the view. The semicolon takes the place of the conjunction and. Good thing they didn't fall all the way. At least I can still walk underneath them.